That's boom. Well, day 12, done and dusted.
Let's go.
Me and my brother, sadly, doing Zoo Phase 1. What a incredible opportunity for us to be doing Zoo. Yeah, tremendously. My mobility has improved over the past week. Been doing it for 12 days, and since I've started, you know, I'm a big guy, weighing at 140 kgs. Been difficult for me, you know, frog squats, that going down low, deep low, has been difficult to be starting, and the intensity, as we're looking for mobility, but intensity has improved over the past week, and this is day 12, but I'm still feeling it. Wow, incredible. Thank you to Nat for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, Nat. What a journey. Let's go.
Cheers. And that's what I want to add for me. Coming back from an injury, the Zoo fitness training also helped me with a lot of range of motion. And for the 10 days, 12 days we're doing it now, it helped a lot with our mobility. And yeah, thanks again tonight.